What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today, for some reason, we're getting like loads of comebacks. I think this is a comeback. This is just called RM Forever Rain. It came up on the Big Hit YouTube page like literally like a couple of minutes ago. I thought, well, you know, I love RM, I love BTS, so why not watch it? So yeah, this is just whatever this is, Forever Rain it's called, that's all I know. So I'm excited. It says MV, so I'm assuming it's probably a music video. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video, guys, and I hope you enjoy. Literally, I don't know where this came from, because I don't remember seeing anything about a comeback or like a solo release, so... And this is an interesting video. Ah, it's rain. Okay, I get it. Right, okay.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서.
Hey, okay.
종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도
Wow, okay, this is trippy.
느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어. 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
That's really strange. It's very trippy.
Slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Forever.
I was gonna say, is he singing? Is that him? This video, a friend of mine would really enjoy this style, I think. Might send it to her. Ooh, that kick drum, holy crap. Okay, it's interesting. It's different. I've not heard something like this from RM. Usually it's aggressive. Sounds like the TikToking noise from Interstellar. This is a really sad song. I like it though. I do like it. It's just, it's very strange. 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아. 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘. 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어. 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. This is definitely something I can put onto my playlist if they release it. I'm still waiting for Deng to come onto Spotify. The art style I like a lot. It's very simple, minimalist, but heavy hitting at the same time, like the song as well. So props to the artist and props to the animators. It's very sad. Oh, it's going back up. So is it like when in Jin's music video, it's going back up? Listening to him sing. It's a very sad song. Somebody should go give him a hug. So a lot of people would want to give him a hug. Briss being one of them. What an unusual song. It's so strange. It was really surreal, really somber. It was very sad. The lyrics were like, "Oh, I want it to rain so that I can hide my face and people won't know that I'm sad." And the weird kind of faces on each person, people in the music video. That's weird. Really strange, but it's a song I could see listening to, like, just chill. It's really chill, but really sad. But wow, well, I didn't expect anything from BTS this week at all. Considering we've not long had Idol. I mean, I was maybe expecting another B-side from the album, but that was about it. Not expect that one. That was wow. Just wow. I enjoyed it. Don't get me wrong, I enjoyed it. But it's a very sad song, and I need a hug. That's I just want, yeah. There you go, buddy. So yeah, thank you very much for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. If you have any other comments, queries, or concerns, and requests, please put them in the comment section for me. Make sure you hit me up on my social medias at Hostile Gamer TV. Make sure you add me on Sming at Hostile Gamer. I will be streaming on there shortly, whenever I can find the time within like college, and yeah, it's difficult, but I will make sure that I do at least one in the next couple of weeks for you guys to kind of chill with whatever you want to do. So thank you very much. Make sure you subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.